Dear children, we are going to see a story. Okay? The name of the story is The Happy Birds. Come on, listen to the story. Okay? Kavya and Kevin want a pet. I want a pup, says Kavya. Hello children, do you have a pet at home? What pet do you have? Are they happy to be with you? How do you look after them? Okay, coming to the story. What pet does Kavya want? Kavya wants a pup. Okay? I want a rabbit. Rabbits are cute, says Kevin. Have you seen rabbits? Where have you seen the rabbits? Okay. Now, Kavya and Kevin's grandmother replies, let's go to the market. I'll get you a pet. Kavya and Kevin are happy. They go to the pet shop with grandmother. Where do Kavya, Kevin and grandmother go? Yes, they go to the pet shop. Okay. There are many pet animals in the shop. There are dogs and pups. There are cats and kittens. There are ducks and ducklings. They see birds in the small cages. What are the pet animals they see in the pet shop? Yes, dogs and pups, cats and kittens, ducks and ducklings. Okay? And also the birds, some of the birds in small cages. Where do they see birds? They see the birds in the pet shop in small cages. The birds look sad. They can't fly. They do not sing. How do the birds look? The birds look sad. Why do they not fly? Why do they not fly? Why do they not sing? Because they have no freedom. They have imprisoned, isn't it? Kavya and Kevin did not like to see the birds in cages. Why did Kavya and Kevin not like to see the birds in cages? Kavya is angry. Kevin cries. Grandmother has an idea. She buys the birds. Kavya, Kevin and grandmother go back home with the cages. Who buys birds? Who buys the birds? Yes, grandmother buys the birds. Where do they take the birds? They take the birds to their home. Yes. They open the doors of all cages. They open the doors of all the cages. The birds hop out one by one. They fly away happily. How did Kavya and Kevin feel? Kavya and Kevin feel happy. Did they get a pet? No. They didn't get a pet. They let the pet free. Don't worry, I'll get you a pet pup soon, says grandmother. No, grandmother, we will play with the dogs around our house, says Kavya. We will feed the birds and squirrels around our house, says Kevin. the moral of this story? Yes, we shouldn't imprison the birds and animals. They are also the living beings. They have freedom to live, to fly, and to do what they like as we. So, we have to love them. We have to allow them to live naturally. This is what is humanism. Let's be a good human. Okay? Bye.